Welcome to this case study on modernizing high-risk process control. We'll explore how a detergent tower was transformed into a stable, safe environment without replacing core PLCs. At a glance, a major chemical manufacturer eliminated alarm floods and operational blind spots without hardware replacement or production downtime. This resulted in unified real-time process visibility and intelligent alarm management, leading to improved operator response. Initially, the manufacturer was operating blind. They faced fragmented visibility across outdated human-machine interfaces, alarm floods from an unprioritized system, and manual dependence on tribal knowledge rather than data-driven insights. Niotek deployed the HORUS Automation Platform as an intelligent automation overlay. This non-invasive solution modernized control without disturbing underlying PLC logic. It provided a unified SCADA system and dynamic process trends, replacing static snapshots. We moved the system from alarm floods to focus. The legacy alarm system was replaced with intelligent management, providing faster, more confident responses through prioritized alerts, early warnings from predictive logic, and reduced nuisance alarm noise. The results led to stability and safety. Process visibility moved from fragmented and manual to unified real-time, eliminating blind spots. Alarm handling became clear and prioritized, speeding up response and reducing abnormal events. In the technical spotlight, we achieved control layer modernization without altering core PLC programs. Alarm rationalization aligned with ISA 18.2 standards. A structured process data model also makes the system ready for future digital twin initiatives. The project proved the concept: modern safety standards, legacy hardware, zero compromise. Process manufacturing plants do not need full system replacement to achieve modern safety and control. To prioritize safety in your operations, schedule a process control audit with Niotek. You can contact us via the details on the screen.